Hey everybody, my name is Kristina Howell, Atlanta's mobile chiropractor, and we are here today with Tara. And what is your name? What's your name?
Shane.
Shane. You gonna say hey to the camera?
Wave at the camera. Say hi.
Say hey.
Hi. No, my name is Shane.
Shane?
Shine.
Shine?
S-H-Y-N-E.
You gonna correct them and tell them to shine? You got to be famous, boy. Cross your arms across the chest. And you're gonna bend forward. You're gonna drop the shoulder. Then you're gonna turn. Anything?
Yeah.
Can you point to where it is?
It's right there.
Okay.
All right, go in timeout. Go, because you don't know how to listen. Go get in the car, babe. Go. Bye-bye. She can't help you. She don't even know you.
He looked at me. I was like, say something.
Very little, but not as much. And it's all right here. Like, you can kind of feel it.
Right. Okay. Go ahead and lay on your stomach. Okay, here for now. My son's father keeps this channel on TV.
He does.
Yeah. For our son.
I put the sleep music on for him, and it's a wrap.
We put him to sleep with the white noise.
Oh, yeah. That bothers me. I don't like this.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why I don't like it.
Have you ever had this before?
A long time ago. I haven't had any back pain in such a long time. I don't know. I was in a bad car accident years ago. Got treated for it and was fine. And then recently, I don't know.
Did they do an epidural?
Hell no. They did that. Oh, when I had him?
No, for your accident. Did they do any procedures or MRIs or anything?
They did an MRI, but they just gave me adjustments like standard chiropractor stuff.
If you have any questions about anything I'm doing, please don't hesitate.
So what is that? It's like a line? Ooh, that one hurt. It's just a lining?
It helps adjust you, but without as much force because this side is so tender. We want to center your sacrum first. That's where your tailbone is attached to.
And then do the crack.
All right, this bottom piece is going to drop. So just take a deep breath in. All the way out. Bend your knees. A little bit of a short right leg. Okay, now lift this side. Back down. Straight leg. Alright. Oh, this hurts. I apologize. We're going to go real fast, okay? Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Ready? There we go. That was good. Flip over to the other side. How you like Atlanta from Cali? I joke. Deep breath in. All the way up. There we go. Lay on your stomach. Let's check it out. Yeah, I know a few people. They just want to go back to Cali.
Yeah, I've done it.
Just on this side, it's scoliosis, okay? So you can take a deep breath in for me. All the way out. Okay. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out.
Yeah, you can push hard too. It's not gonna. Up there's gonna be fine.
Deep breath in. And then drop. So you're going to pick it up one more time. Pick it up one more time and drop that left ear. So we go. Okay, straight back. Ooh, one more time. So we're going to go straight back. Now drop it cat a corner. Yeah. Deep breath in. Ooh. Go ahead and lay on your back.
Yeah, Shine, what would you like?
If you want, you can prop your feet up and then put a little bit less pressure on your leg.
you.
He's so cute.
Yeah, man, because on behalf of
Come sit on the couch right there. Don't move.
damages, yeah. I said it's gone.
Oh.
So this is damages by me and Johnny.
Understands time out. You don't understand. Sit down and be quiet.
Is he gonna make it?
Yeah.
Drop that shoulder.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oof. Yeah, he had a little ear infection, so I had to keep him home.
Aww.
You can come out here and sit on the couch. Don't touch anything. Don't move. If you move, you're going back in timeout.
Get a pull here. Tender? Tender?
A little bit. It's the whole left side, girl. Just throw it away.
Any headaches?
Not recently. And it's just a daycare. They have preschool. They have a whole phonics program. They're there from, you could drop them off at as early as 6 in the morning and pick them up as late as 7 in the evening. For real.
You there all
I
day?
utilize it because I drop them off probably around like 9:30. And then I don't pick them up till about 6:30. But you like your school? Do you like your school?
He like, nah, I don't want to go. I'm gonna adjust your ears, okay? When was the last time you were on a flight?
2 weeks ago. I've been on flights every 3 weeks for the past 4 months.
This one's probably gonna go. Alright, so when I ask you to, you're just gonna let your head fall, like rest on the side, okay?
This side or the other side?
On my side.
Okay.
Alright, let your head. You may experience a little bit of drainage. You will experience like a whooshing sound, like you're listening to a seashell. That itty bitty little earlobes. Alright, let it fall in.
Ooh.
That was playing.
You want to get your back cracked?
No.
He's scared.
My baby gets his done. Oh.
It's actually good for kids, right?
It's good for everybody. Interlace your fingers behind your head. Alright, my arms are gonna go through here, okay?
Okay.
Let it fall. Alright, good stretch. Deep breath in. All the way out. One more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Look up to the ceiling for me. Look up.
Oh! I was not ready for that one. Oh! Oh!
Whenever you're ready.
I don't think I'm gonna ever be ready again.
I didn't want to like move out because he was like, bloop.
Oh,
How was that?
that was good. It wasn't good when it happened, but it was a good after.
Right. It takes people by surprise.
That's actually, I saw you do that on a guy, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna book her. She looks strong. I need somebody strong. That's really why I booked. I was like, she looks real strong. I'm gonna use her.
I want you to stand up and walk around and see what we got. Did we at least decrease the discomfort, or because it looks like we've increased a little bit of range of motion?
Yeah, no, we definitely decreased it. It feels better.
Okay.
I can still feel it, but it's way better than I feel like I might be able to go to. No, that one just let me know I can't go to the gym tomorrow, but maybe Monday we might have some hope.
You can do some yoga.
Oh, the hell with that.
Hey,
What about Pilates?
yeah, you can do it.
Okay, that's what I might need to do. Stretching.
All right. Did you have any questions? All right, everybody. Thanks for showing in. This is Dr. Howell, Atlanta's mobile chiropractor. Until next time.